To go over how to identify the parts of an atom in terms of where they are, what their symbol is, whether they have a charge associated with them, and their approximate mass relative to each other. So subatomic particles, either charged or uncharged, they either reside in the nucleus or outside of the nucleus. And protons and neutrons have about the same mass. Electrons are much, much smaller. The units we use for measuring the mass of subatomic particles is atomic mass units, which is based on carbon-12 atom, containing 6 protons plus 6 neutrons. So one atomic mass unit is 1/12 of a carbon atom. So if you like to think of it as kind of like the average mass between the average proton and neutron. Okay, so in terms of the different types of subatomic particles, we have protons, and those are positively charged. Okay, so in terms of the amount of charge, we use the universal charge, which is 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. So these charges are in multiples of that E, plus or minus E or 0. So when I say a proton has a charge of +1, that's +1 E, the fundamental unit of charge. So +1 times E. The symbol for a proton is P or little p, or sometimes P superscript plus, so that should be a superscript, okay? To say that it has a positive charge associated with it. Protons and neutrons both live in the nucleus, which is the very, very center of the atom, which in this particular diagram is shown with the letter A. So they are located in the nucleus. So that is location A on ALEKS. Their approximate mass of a proton and neutron is about the same, of 1 AMU. Slight difference between the two, but in terms of order of magnitude, that will give us what we need. So neutron has no charge associated with it. So a proton has, the neutron has the symbol N, or sometimes N superscript 0. That is a numerical 0, not an O. So there is no charge associated with it, and its mass is about the same as the mass of a proton, 1 AMU, and the neutron also abides in the nucleus, which is also location A on that ALEKS diagram. The third subatomic particle is the teeny tiny electron. Electrons are not in the nucleus, so they are anywhere but the nucleus. They are outside the nucleus. So this is a very Bohrian model of the atom, showing electrons on orbits. When we get further into the book, you'll know that's not really the most accurate way of describing, but it will do for now. So we just know the electrons are outside of the nucleus. They're very, very tiny, and they have a negative charge associated with them. So their symbol is E minus. They have a -1 charge in terms of E. Their mass is several orders of magnitude smaller than protons and neutrons, so 0.005 AMUs, and they are located outside the nucleus. Whereabouts exactly? Well, that is a very complex question. So that would be location B. So that is essentially all you need to know to answer this question. So what you need to do is look at what you're given, and from that, synthesize the information you don't know. So we are given this symbol E minus, that's telling us it's an electron. So straight away, I know that that is an electron. Electron is always negatively charged, so its charge is going to be -1 E. Its approximate mass is small, 0.0005 AMUs, and it is located outside the nucleus. So that is location B on this diagram. A proton has the symbol P+. Its charge is going to be +1, and its approximate mass is about 1 AMU, and its location on the diagram will be in the nucleus. And then the third row, we have a mystery particle. It's small, it's got a -1 charge, and it is located outside the nucleus, so it must be an electron, which has the symbol E-. Okay, so I'm going to quickly pull up another one of these questions just so we can get familiar with how they work. So this particular one, just going to answer the mystery particle one. Okay, so we have a mystery particle. It's located in the nucleus. It's got an approximate mass of 1 AMU, and its charge is +1. If it's got positive charge, it's telling me it's a proton. If there was 0 charge, it would have to be a neutron, right? So that is the P+. Okay, so get used to looking at mystery information and trying to work out what our unknown is. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys out with that one.